my gosh, that looks gross.
Hey guys, so starting off today, I am using, I don't even remember what this is called. I know it's fake skin. It has an actual name. My mind just went blank all of a sudden. But it's basically, yeah, just fake skin. This was my first time using it. And it was different, but it was surprisingly pretty easy to use.
It actually like blended out like the color better than I thought it would.
So for this possessed glam look, I already had the glam done. I was going for another version, or not another version, but another type of look where if you don't have a lot of time to get ready for Halloween, but say you had work that morning or you already had your makeup done, you could just add on to it. So I decided to go with a possessed look. I make the upside down cross with a very sharp pair of scissors. You don't have to use the scissors, but if you do use them, just be careful. I didn't scratch myself at all because the fake skin was thick enough, but I am putting something sharp against my skin, so if you recreate this or something like this, just be careful with the scissors. And then I am just filling in the upside down cross with regular red face paint that I got from Walmart, and the fake skin was also from Walmart too. Using red ochre from the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I am just deepening the red face paint and then the area around it just to make it look a little bruised and a little more gross, yeah. Then I'm using Sphere from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette to just give it some green bruise look. Pretty easy just to pop in some hints of green here and there and make it more gross, you know. Gotta get that sickly look. Next I'm using this blood scab blood, whatever you want to call it. This is also from Walmart, and then I'm just going over the upside down cross with that, and then I do around my nose and the outer corners of my mouth just for a more undead, dead, I don't know look, but I do put that in later. Right now I'm using this Halloween Essentials red eyeliner, and I'm just making some veins that I do blend out a little bit so they're not as sharp, just for a more creepified effect. I do go back in with the red ochre under the eyes just to give it a little bit of darkness, and then I use this to also blend out the veins a little bit more. And then before I put the scab blood in those areas, I just kind of darken the areas with the red ochre as well. Next I'm using some glitter and glitter glue from NYX, and I'm going in for the more glamified look right now. I am doing glitter tears, which makes it an equal amount of glam and gore, I feel like, because you wouldn't expect to see glittery tears with a possessed look, but you know, you gotta switch things up a little bit, mix and match, funk it up. Okay, you get the gist. Anyways, I just go down with the glue and then pat the glitter on top. And then for highlight, I don't remember what I used because I didn't show it, but I am 100, or not 100, but 99% sure this is the Purple Horseshoe from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. So that is that. And there is the finished look. I hope you guys like this look. Yeah, there we go, spazzing out, being creepy. I'm possessed, you know. Anyways, I had a lot of fun making this look. It's pretty simple. Another one that I feel like is pretty easy, and I don't know how to say it, easily recreatable. I want to say easy accessible, but that is definitely not the right word. But yeah, easily to, you guys, English is like my first language. You wouldn't know that. Easy to recreate. I don't know, but I hope you get what I'm trying to say. I feel like it's an easy one to replicate, redo, but it's also very customizable. You can change it up, do however you want. So yeah. If you watched this, thank you so much. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please thumb it up, give it a fave, subscribe if you like what you see, because it lets me know that I'm doing a good job, you like what I'm doing, blah blah blah. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.